My Awesome Summer by P. Mantis. May 17th. I was born today. It's a beautiful, sunny spring day. May 18th. It was so crowded in the egg case. Really, really crowded. Me and around 150 praying mantis brothers and sisters. I don't have any wings yet, so I can't fly. May 19th. It's okay that I can't fly. The bush I was born on has aphids all over it. Yum! Soft and delicious. May 24th. Some big birds landed near me. I did my cool trick pretending to be a stick blowing in the wind. They flew away. Uh-oh. June 2nd. All the aphids are gone. I'm hungry. Growing so fast. I ate one of my brothers. Okay, maybe two. June 4th. I ate another brother. And one of my sisters, too. I grew again. I shed my skin. June 27th. I still don't have wings, so I walk and jump everywhere. I started to explore the neighborhood. A big animal came sniffing around. I did my cool trick again. You can't see me. I'm a stick. For a pipsqueak, I've got some sharp teeth. My razor arms are super fast, too. A grasshopper hopped next to me. I grabbed him before he could say Jiminy Cricket. July 17th. I grew some more. Shed my skin again. Still can't fly, so more walking, jumping, exploring. July 19th. Ran into one of my brothers. He tried to eat me, so I ate him. Sorry, brother. July 27th. Sometimes I like to hang out upside down. Mostly when I shed my skin, but other times for fun. I'm getting pretty big now. Unlike other insects, I can turn my head to see what's behind me. Hello! July 29th. Praying? Yeah, I'm praying. Praying something tasty comes along that thinks I'm a stick. August 2nd. I grew again. Shed my skin again. I hung upside down to get my old skin off. I felt a little naked until my new skin hardened. August 9th. I love the summer. Long, hot days. Cool nights. I like to hide in the shade and eat bugs near the flowers. I chewed the head off a bee. Not my favorite. August 15th. Finally, I can fly! Almost got eaten by a bat. Landed on a branch and made like a stick until it flew away. August 25th. I nearly walked into a spider's web. Spiders scare me. This one wanted to eat me. I jumped away as fast as I could. September 5th. Grew again. I shed my skin too. Last one for the summer. I forget. I think it's 8 or 9 times. September 25th. Fall is here. There's a chill in the air. I'm looking for the perfect branch. Not very hungry. Moving slowly now. October 14th. I found it! The bush where I was born. I laid eggs, put foam around them. It hardened and made an egg case. Hundreds of praying mantises will be born in the spring. October 17th. I'm going to lie down now and take a long nap. Goodbye! A baby praying mantis is called a nymph. It takes 4 to 6 months for a nymph to become an adult. An adult like P. mantis can be 4 inches long. It will shed its skin 6 to 10 times when it is growing. The praying mantis has a triangle-shaped head that, like the human head, can swivel on its neck. It's the only insect that can do this. It has 1 ear and 2 large eyes. During the day, it can see objects as far as 50 feet away. Some praying mantises have wings and can fly. Others do not develop wings. Praying mantises like P. mantis, the star of this book, have 2 sets of wings. Males are lighter than females and can fly longer distances. P. mantis would not have been able to defend herself very well from a bat, spider, bird, frog, or lizard that might have wanted to eat her. Praying mantises try to defend themselves with their sharp forearms, or they stand up tall and spread their arms to look bigger. They even make a hissing sound. But against larger, stronger predators, they are pretty defenseless. In colder climates like the one where P. mantis lives, females lay up to 300 eggs. They cover the eggs with foam that becomes a hard protective egg case called an ootheca. Adult praying mantises don't survive the winter, but their babies hatch in the spring. Then the cycle begins all over again.